So this is what we learned last week. So look at now, we are passing as two strings, two text with the comma. So print can accept more than single argument. Here we are passing argument number 1 as hello and then argument number 2 as world. But however, the output remains the same. Okay. And then here now we are going to pass 1, 2, 3, 4 values to the same print function. Okay. This will print hello, how are you? We will try this out today. Okay. So even if you add more number of text also, it will print. Okay. So this we learned. And then we also learned how to print with single quote. Okay. In the previous slide, we used double quotes, right? We use double quotes. But Python allows to print in single quotes also. Look at now, Python allows both single quotes and double quotes for strings. Strings is nothing but a text or a word. Okay. So this we learned last week, and also we learned like how to print multiple lines with double quotes. Hope you all remember. Yeah, I will explain to you that. Okay. So here now we are printing multiple lines but using double quotes. Okay. Python allows multi-line strings. Look at now, this print exactly as it is. The first line you have 2-line multi-line, and the second line will be having statement and then dot, a full stop, and then going to, and you'll get a third line. So it will be printed exactly as it is if you use 3 quotes, both beginning as well as the end. This we practice that. Now this today we are going to practice how we are going to do the same multi-line printing with single quotes. Are you able to see the difference? We are giving single quotes, but the statement remains the same. So Python allows multi-line strings using the triple quotes. So if you want to go for multi-line, we have to use triple quotes. 1, 2, 3. Okay. This you are going to do it today, and then so this also we practiced. So we have used uppercase print. What happened? Any guesses? What happened? What kind of error? Yeah, it is of course case sensitive, but what error is name error? We will name error. Okay, you have to remember that. So all is now again you are going to practice. Okay, Python is case sensitive. This uppercase, right? PRINT. But ideally it should be in lowercase. It is capital letter, but it should be in lowercase letter. So whenever you use uppercase letter for the built-in function, we will get this error. That is called name error. So it's like, yeah. So I missed that. Okay. And here no, I'm going to use I'm going to call a method which is not existing in Python. This is print1. Is there any? There is no method called print1 in Python. So what we are getting? Again, we will getting a name error. Okay. Print1 is not defined. It means I will explain that later. What is mean defined, declare, everything I will explain later. Okay. What does it mean more? This print1 is not available in Python, and Python does not understand it. Okay, as there is no function called print1, the Python says an error. Name print1 is not defined. So this also we practiced. And so any guesses what error will be getting? Exactly. Okay. So what errors you will be getting? Exactly. I think you guys are rocking. So we'll be getting syntax error because no, we know programming language have syntax, set of rules to be followed. If you violate the rules, then you will get error. Look at now, we are not passing the parentheses. But in Python 2, we are using Python 3, okay? In Python 2, that is fine, okay? In Python 2, print was statement, we can print without parentheses. But in Python 3, we have to use a parenthesis, else we will get syntax error, okay? So you guys are remembering sharper than me. Okay. So any questions here? I will explain to you later, okay? Because you didn't come. Yes, Sanil. Python 2, that's a version. Okay. Python 3 is the current version we are using. Every software has different version. Okay. It was there. Yeah. Python 1, Python 1.1, lot of versions will be, high level version will be there. Of course, it will be there. In the future, it will be coming. So what they're doing now, the Python 3, they're adding more functions. This print is a function in Python 3. In Python 4, they will add more features or functions. Okay. As more developers know, they contribute to the programming language, we'll get more features for data science, machine learning, AI. So they are adding lot of libraries and utilities and functions. I will explain that. Okay. Any other questions? You guys are fine? Everyone is fine? So you have to practice today also.